Hey yo, homegirl. Now, happy birthday, though. I don't got that long to make it though because my dad's about to take me and he's going to me. So. But yeah. So I don't know if I should sing you a song or what. Yeah. How about until the end of time? Justin Timberlake. Yeah. All right then. I don't even know how that song goes anymore, honestly. Woke up this morning. I'm not about. Let me sing the chorus. It's a pleasure, something on, and relax your mind. 'Cause I'm gonna love you, girl, until the end of time. You got me say, ah, no. Yeah. She was saying like D-Lo. Oh, I was gonna tell D-Lo come eat some of that them enchiladas, you know. But he was like, I mean, I don't give a about no hoe, you know. So yeah, right then. Yeah. But I look good on this camera. Happy birthday. Good one. 17. Have a good day.